Hey, good afternoon, everybody. You got Cody Ashmore, Director of Weekly Options Strategies at Simpler Trading. If you have been following me on any of my social media platforms, you've noticed that I have been posting a lot about the 0 days to expiration strategy that I've been doing daily with quite a bit of success, and recently just produced a course that was done last Saturday, and we just went into the live trading portion. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and break down some of those trades that we have done. And right here is we've only done 4 days of live trading. We did it on Monday. Um, what was it? I'm already drawing a blank there, but I'll have to go ahead and look. So yes, we did it on, I believe, well, it actually just says right there. I don't know what it's looking at. So the 22nd, 24th, 25th, 26th. You get the point. So here are the days we placed the trades, right? A little disclaimer that I do want to say is, okay, so these 390s right here were real trades. Now these two big days, these are actually paper trading. And you may be thinking, okay, no big deal, paper trading, that's easy. Well, there is a little bit of a caveat there. So we know with Jackson Hole coming in, or starting last week, we felt it wasn't, or I felt it wasn't the best decision to place those trades. So just because that is happening, it doesn't mean we can't go get some practice swings in. So what we did is these 2 days are paper trades, but what is really unique about this, whenever we did the paper trading, the students decided when to get in, when to get out. Where's our stop loss at? Are we going bullish or bearish? All these trades are based on the students, right? And so I think that's really great. And specifically on Friday, especially due to the volatility, you see here we're in at 8:51, and we were out 3 minutes later, just because of not 3 minutes later, but an hour later, based on the quick flushes that were occurring, and just really puts emphasis on that the students are learning the concept, or the traders as well are taking the concept and making it their own. But yes, nonetheless, so far we haven't had a loss yet, and everyone has said that it has paid for their course, which is awesome, and that's not guaranteed going forth, but it's always nice to hear that, which is really awesome. And so just one other thing I wanted to go ahead and cover. So like on Monday, here's the chart setup that we look at. We decided to go short, and we shorted, pull up the chart right here. So we shorted the calls, the 41.95s for $2.50. So let's see, 41.95. That is all the way up here. So we shorted those calls, locked them in pretty quick on the flush. Now, as far as specific setups, I cover that in the detail in the course as well. And let's go to the next day. So move this on over, and okay, here we go. 23rd. Where are we at? Okay, about right here. Then move this day on over as well. Let's see. I don't recall what day we didn't trade. I should know. All right, we didn't trade on the 23rd. All right, going to the 24th. All right, here's the 24th, and going to the 24th. So you look on the 24th, we sold the 40.95 puts. So we're not just choosing one side over and over. We're not just choosing random strikes. There is a method to the madness. So you can see we went bullish on 2 days and bearish on 2 other days. So if you could finesse it and get the strategy to work on your own, you can see it just really pans out for you. So like I said, in this case, the 40.95 puts, go right here, 40.95s not even on the chart. So let's go ahead and crunch it. So 40.95 is all the way down here on this day. You can see how it all price stayed above. So therefore, we collected that premium. And then going on to the next day, continuing on, here we are. Oh, not there. We all know, if you're trading at all, you know that big flush right there was Friday. Come back over here, August 25th. Looking for the date, there we go, 24, 25. Okay, so it's right here where those dots are. Okay, so on Thursday, sold the 41.95 puts, which is interesting. You see how it's now that I'm looking at this now, it's kind of interesting how we did the 41.95 calls on the 22nd, but then we turn around and did the 41.95 puts on the 25th, but nonetheless still made some money out. So that's very interesting. That's kind of interesting to look at. I didn't even realize we chose the same strikes, but nonetheless, you see how we sold price down here or sold the puts down here, price went up, and so on and so forth. And obviously on Friday, I stand corrected, Friday, we sold calls and the market just went down and down and down. So if you sold calls on Friday, you took absolutely no heat at all, and we're looking good. But nonetheless, I know it's quick, down and dirty. You maybe felt like you didn't really get much out of this as far as trading strategy and setups, which is fair because I honestly kind of didn't give you any. But nonetheless, those strategies are covered in the class, and the recording is done. And you can watch it at your own leisure here at Simpler Trading. I'll put a link in the description box below. So if you were to go ahead and sign up, it's called Drama Free Day Trades with me, Cody Ashmore. We have done a total of 4 days. I know initially it was only 10 days, but now it's actually 12 days. And we have already done 4 of those days, and now we have 8. So 2 days left of this day, or of the pro package. But what I want to get at is we still have 6 days of elite trading coming up. And so many members have already said that it's paid for their elite package already. And I think that's really awesome. Though it's not guaranteed, the probabilities are there, and it's been working out great so far. And I just really wanted to go ahead and point that out. But like I said, I'll put this in the description link. I'm sorry, I put the link in the description box below. And then you'll go ahead and sign up if you wish. But yeah, still 6 more days. And if you're curious about the dates, they are right here on the website. But it is, if you want to do just elite, the 6 days that are coming, it's the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 12th, 13th, from 8:30 to 9:30. All we do is come in, we decide our position we're going to take, we discuss our stop losses, answer questions, and then we go about our day. That's the point of the strategy, is to place your trade and live your life. And granted, there's only 2 days left in this, so I really don't think anyone really want to pay this up for the just 2 days. That's why I haven't really focused on the pro package. But I will say that every single session has been recorded, so you could obviously go back and review it. And the class is obviously already recorded, and you can go ahead and watch it at your own pace as well. But yeah, so I hope that helps give a little bit of emphasis on how great the strategy is. Everyone seems to be loving it. And so, yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and click the link in the comment section and go ahead and check out what is going on for the drama-free day trades. All right, so that's all I have for y'all. Go ahead and click that link. All right, if you are in the live training, I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Take care, everybody.